Oh, hello, Jason. What are you doing today? It looks remarkably similar to the last time I was here.
Refinishing.
How long does it take to refinish a cabinet door?
Only a few minutes.
Through the magic of videography, it is taking you quite a long time, but the more time you take on a project, the more careful you are, right?
Not necessarily. Hey, I've got to get the phone. Excuse me.
It's the Rogue phone.
Yeah.
So Jason, I see you use this for your stripper. I'm assuming that it's not butter, and I see it says that. It says, I can't believe it's not butter. So I'm assuming it isn't, because
oh, no.
that looks like butter from some bad place.
Butter.
What do you recommend for a stripper?
Or look at this right here, see? Citrus stripping gel.
Why do you recommend citrus strip?
Well, because it's gel, it sticks. It's non-toxic, so you can use it around. You can use it in your home, inside your home, like around your pets and stuff, and it's fine. And you won't be. Other strippers are just like have horrible fumes, and you can get that at like the hardware store.
At anyone's, probably your local hardware store should carry the citrus strip.
But
don't ask for butter, because we don't believe it's butter either.
We don't believe that. I don't believe that any other like of the harmful, nasty strippers that they sell can do this good of a job either. Like this stuff is really good. You can put it on, and even if you just let it sit and it gets too dry, all you have to do is reapply it, and it's really easy to work with. It doesn't burn your hands. This, on the other hand, is not citrus strip. It's good old mineral spirits. That just rinses off the stripper.
Because everyone knows you need to rinse off your stripper.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We don't really need to go any further than that. Are there?
You cut off your digits.
Well, yeah, that won't get us any more viewers. Well, actually, it might. You know, maybe if you cut off one of your fingers in an upcoming episode. We'll advertise the heck out of it. Well, before I leave your fine shop,
I'd like you to
where can people go to see your fine wood craftsmanship?
At Rogue Fine Living.
Make sure you're speaking loud,
.com.
because we're using cheap equipment.
RogueFineLiving.com.
RogueFineLiving.com? And what can people find there if they haven't watched the first couple of videos?
More woodworking.
Okay. And where?
They need to start with something old because old stuff doesn't have hardly any finish left on it, and when you get done, they look amazing. So it's kind of like I don't know. I mean, probably sticking to solid wood is better. A lot of times veneer wood, when you start refinishing it, the veneer kind of starts to pull up, and there's different ways to deal with that. Re-gluing it down and relaminating it and repairing the veneer. But if you just refinish solid wood, you don't have to worry about that. Some people might say that this is not the way to refinish. And to them I say, so what?
Do you have any tips for aspiring woodshop video makers?
Buy better cameras.
Enough with the camera.